Have you ever found yourself in a situation where debt seems overwhelming and difficult to manage? Unexpected events can lead to financial difficulties, and if you're unable to repay your debts, creditors may seek a county court judgment, a CCJ, against you. In this video, we'll delve into what a CCJ is, how to respond to it, and, most importantly, explore your options for making payments in installments. A county court judgment, or CCJ, is a legal decision stating that you are responsible for a debt and have not communicated with the creditor to arrange a repayment. When you receive a CCJ, you must respond by the date included in the letter, which contains essential information such as the amount owed, payment instructions, response deadline, and details about the creditor. Creditors may pursue a CCJ if they believe that you won't repay the debt, regardless of whether they are the original creditor or a collection agency. Furthermore, a CCJ can lead to an interim charging order and a final charging order, potentially putting your home at risk. The creditor can even apply for an order to force you to sell your home to settle the debt. Upon receiving a CCJ, you must fill in and return the form to the creditor within 30 days from the date on the letter. You can either dispute the debt or agree that you do owe the amount that it says. If a dispute is unsuccessful, or if you agree with the debt, you will need to negotiate repayment terms. Ignoring a CCJ can lead to severe consequences, such as wage deductions, bailiff visits, involuntary bankruptcy, or property debt attachment. In some cases, you may be required to pay the debt in full upon receiving a CCJ. However, the court's decision will determine if you have the option to pay in installments. If paying in full is not feasible and no installment option is provided, seeking professional debt advice is crucial at this point. Most CCJs offer a chance of repaying the debt in full or setting up a repayment plan through regular installments. Before negotiating the plan with the creditor, consider seeking advice from a debt counsellor. They can help you to assess your income and your expenses to determine a realistic and sustainable repayment amount. If you manage to repay the entire debt within the CCJ's deadline, you can apply to have the CCJ removed from your credit history after 2 years. However, if you opt for installments, consistency in making monthly payments is essential to avoid further legal action. If your circumstances change and you can no longer maintain the agreed upon payments, renegotiating with the creditor is a necessity. If you're struggling with debt, then there are a number of debt solution options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others will include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to find out more about the different options available here in the UK, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description below to get started and answer a few simple multiple choice questions, such as the total amount of debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.